Today I'm going to be reviewing these really ergonomic set of 4 dining room chairs. Now these are going to be absolutely perfect for a cafe, a dining room, a living room. You could put this in your bedroom, your basement, and they're super practical. They just look amazing. I ended up opting for this beautiful gray color. They also come in black and a really nice brown. Had a hard time choosing, but I don't think you can go wrong with any color. Now one of the things I love about these chairs is they have an S feature design in the back that actually is very ergonomic and just feels really good when you're sitting back relaxing at the dinner table. This is definitely a chair that if you have family or friends over and you're eating dinner, you're not rushing to get out of to go lay on the couch. You could definitely stay in here super comfortable, and it's something that you want to sit in and just keep the conversation going because they feel great. Now these chairs have a 4-layer design that's going to leave you very comfortable all day. We have a high density foam, and this is going to be a faux leather that's very easy to clean. All you got to do is wipe this with a damp cloth and you're going to be ready to go. I love the way how the seat curves up on the sides. It's very comfortable and it just feels like it hugs you. These legs are very sturdy. It's going to be made with a high quality metal, and we actually have a 300-pound weight limit on this chair, so it's going to fit a whole range of different style of body types. I love the seating position on here as well. I think it's a great height and it leaves me very comfortable as I sit in this chair. I don't feel my back aching or in pain whatsoever. It feels very nice. On the bottom of the legs, you're also going to get an anti-tip kit, which is going to be perfect so that you can make sure these chairs are dialed in. Maybe you have tile on your floor or you're going to be on carpet or hardwood. You can make sure that that's going to be dialed in perfectly and the chair is not going to teeter-totter. If you notice on the top of this chair, it's going to have a nice cutout, which gives you a nice modern simplistic design, and it's also very practical because you can just put your hand on here and actually pull this chair in and out. You can lift it up very easily, so if you want to move this from room to room, it's going to be a cakewalk. Let me show you in real life exactly how this would go. This is why I love this chair. You just pull it from the top and you can still stay in a very upright position and slide it in and you're ready to go. The leveling kit on the bottom of the legs does not seem like it is marking up my floor with black or scratching it whatsoever, so that is also really good to protect my hardwood floor. Now when you're all done here, simply pull it back and grab the handle, push this in, and it makes it a very practical chair to have in your living space. I especially love the stripe design on the back. It gives it a really simple design, yet very modern and stylish. Assembly on these chairs were super easy. Each chair probably took me less than 5 minutes, so to do all 4 of these was less than 20 minutes in total. Really easy. They supply the directions, the hardware, and the tool to build all of these, making it great for all skill levels. At the end of the day, these are going to be a great choice for a dining room chair, bedroom chair, or an accent chair. Check all the other colors out. I highly recommend these. I give them a 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you add these to your cart, and I'll see you guys in the next one.